Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the garage. We're out here on a real nice, quiet fall morning, and it's pretty cold out. Weather is changing, and the mood is changing with what we're doing in the garage as well. So, kind of wanted to bring you up to date on some things we're doing. Back there, we got the old Dodge, and in front of that, further in there, is the 67. Tucked away nice and warm in the garage. But we aren't slowing down. We're going to keep doing some stuff. We're going a little bit different direction right at the moment, and I kind of want to bring you up to speed on what we just started working on. So we're going to start on this thing. This was a project that my wife wanted to get into, and low key we've been talking about it for a while, and finally pulled the trigger and decided to try and do something. So it is a huge van. It's an E350, and we just picked it up, got a good deal on it, and we're excited to kind of see what path this takes us on, what route we want to go with it. But we're going to clean it up. It's got, some miles on it, some years on it, and I'll take you through a little walk around real quick, show you what it's like. And there is a pretty big community of these folks that like to do stuff with the vans and make them kind of fun for off-road or even just for traveling, van life, stuff like that. I don't know exactly what we're going to do with it, but it'll be fun. So let's check it out. So this one is an E350. So it's got the bigger suspension, the bigger chassis, and some of the components on it are a little bit bigger, but it is the long one. This is a 15-passenger van, and it looks like it was taken pretty good care of. The people we bought it from, real nice couple, did some work on it, and they've had it for about 5 years, and gave us a kind of a rundown of everything they've done. Obviously, you can see they've done the wheels and tires. He did some nice little upgrades inside it. So we'll take you for a little peek in here. He installed the Apple CarPlay and some new speakers in the doors. He upgraded everything to LED lights. Back here in the back, he changed out all the 12-volt sockets, the cigarette lighter types, over to USB ports so that passengers can have better access to charging their phones. Tinted all the windows so it's nice and dark in there. But I mean, you can see how clean this thing is. Almost looks like they may have painted it or something, because I mean, it is really clean. I know they kept it in a garage, so it was pretty well taken care of. Pretty cool. Me and my wife are pretty excited to try this thing out. You can see over there to the right, there's USB ports. It's got cup holders added to it, pop-out windows in front. Some little things that we're going to be addressing right away is we're getting floor mats, rubber floor mats for them. They've already added the molded ones for the front, the WeatherTech. We're going to add some inside it to kind of protect those carpets. They're really light, which I don't like light carpets. Has a break in the door up here. We're going to replace that, get that fixed. And then just some wear and tear on this old guy. We're going to swap out this step with a new one. I know that my wife was saying that one of these cup holders, I think, is either broke or something. We're probably going to replace a couple of those. I know we got to replace a couple trim pieces, get those swapped out. But yeah, I know that maybe one of these vents, one or two of them, the little vents are flopping. They're not staying where you put them. But yeah, it'll be cool. It'll be fun to try something different than what we're used to. Definitely like the E350s. I like the big Ford trucks, the F350s, F250s as well. So it feels a lot like driving one of those, driving this thing around. So that's that. Just a quick update, and I'll bring you along, show you some of the little improvements that we make to this thing, and of course other things that we're still doing on the other trucks. We're gonna wrap it up. That's that. Have a good fall. Have a good holiday. It's coming up. So take care. We'll see you guys on the next one.